Hello, today we will be troubleshooting problems with specifically the right side of your charging port and USB. So there are two charging ports and USBs. There's one on the right side and left side. So on the left side, it is connected to the mainframe, but on the right side, it is only connected by a strip that goes into the mainframe, but is mainly by itself. Once you take off the back cover, you will see inside. So most of the time you're having problems with this is because that black and blue strip is becoming broken. It's not connected to the mainframe correctly, or it's not connected to the frame that has the USB and charging port on there. But most of the time when you're having problems there, it's probably because there's something inside of the ports themselves. So usually you can just blow inside them and it'll come out. But if worse comes to worse, it is probably that you will have to get the whole thing replaced. Thank you. Hello. Today I will be showing how to troubleshoot some battery problems. So if you remove this yellow tape you see me taking off here, after you remove the back of your Chromebook, if you remove that yellow tape, you can see how the battery is connected to the main part of your Chromebook. So your battery is not actually stuck down inside of your Chromebook. It is only connected there. So once you take that out, you can completely remove your battery from your Chromebook entirely. So most of the time when you're having problems with your battery is because that connection is bad. So maybe it's loose, or the cord is frayed, or maybe it's just not working in general. So once you want to put it back in, you just set it down and put that connection right back in. Okay, thank you. And also put the tape back.